All right, so please give this one a try and then you can like resume to look at the solution. All right, so one way to solve the question is, yes, you can do as directed. A glass contains 500 cc of milk and a cup contains 500 cc of water. Okay, so we have a glass and a cup, both consisting of 500 cc, okay, cubic centimeters. Okay, and this is also 500 cubic centimeters. Well, it won't make a difference because we have the ratio anywhere, so you can ignore the unit. Yeah, so from the glass, 150 liters of milk is transferred to the cup and mixed thoroughly. So we have 350 centimeters cube of milk in the glass. All right. And in the cup, you have 500 cc of water and now 150 cc of milk. Okay. Next, 150 cc of this mixture is transferred from the cup to the glass. Okay, guys. So in the cup, water and milk are in the ratio 500 is to 150, 0 gone, 5 gone, 10 is to 3, right? So when 150 cubic centimeters of this mixture is now transferred from the cup to the glass, okay, then the amount of water that will leave the cup will be 10 by 13th of 150, right? And the amount of milk that leaves the cup is 3 by 13th of 150. Okay, guys, so in the glass now, we have 350 centimeter cube of milk and 10 by 13 into 150 cubic centimeters of water. Okay, it is going to the glass now. Okay, and the amount of milk in the cup will be nothing but 150 minus 3 by 13th of 150, right? So basically it will be 150 centimeter cube that we have transferred minus that 3 by 13th of 150 is leaving. So the amount of milk that is remaining is nothing but 150 common. Okay, 1 minus 3 upon 13, that comes out to be 10 by 13 into 150, right? So what do we observe? The amount of milk in the cup, 10 by 13 into 150, the amount of water in the glass, 150 into 10 by 13, both are same. So the ratio which you require is basically option 3, 1 is to 1. Okay, so the other way of understanding this will be, see, we have 500 units of the first glass that contains milk, and you have basically 500 units of the cup, right, which contains water. Okay, you are removing 150 cc from this. Okay, that is nothing but 3 by 10th of the total, and you are again adding back, okay, 3 by 10th of the total, right? Okay, so observe, guys, some amount of milk has been removed, okay, from the first to second vessel. Okay, and you're adding back that same amount of the mixture of milk and water. So what is the space that is getting added here basically? Okay, the space that is getting added here is the same space that has been removed, right? Okay, 3 by 10th of the total. So the ratio of the water in the first glass to milk in the second has to be equal, 1 is to 1, right? And that's the answer to your question, option 3.